In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change visibility on Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This menu is where you'll access the tools you need to manage pages, websites, and other assets inside your account. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This will take you to the area where your funnels and websites are managed. After that, look to the top menu and click on Websites. This is important because visibility settings for website pages are managed from within the website builder, so you'll want to be in the correct section before moving forward. Next, open the page builder for the website you want to work on. Once the builder opens, select the specific page where you want to change visibility settings. If your website has multiple pages, take a moment to confirm that you've chosen the correct one before continuing. That can help you avoid making edits in the wrong place. After you're inside the page editor, locate the specific section, column, or individual element that you want to adjust. This could be something like a text block, an image, a button, a row, or a larger section of the page. Click directly on that item so its settings appear. It's helpful to be precise here because visibility settings apply to the exact item you have selected. Once the item is selected, move over to the settings panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, click on Styles. This area contains design and display related options for the selected element. From there, choose visibility. This is the setting you'll use to control whether that section, column, or element appears under certain conditions. Depending on what you're editing, visibility options can help you manage what is shown and what is hidden, making your page more flexible and easier to customize for different layouts or display needs. As a quick tip, before clicking away, make sure you review the selected item one more time so you know you're editing the correct element. If you're making several visibility changes on the same page, working carefully one item at a time can make the process much smoother. And that's how to change visibility on Gohighlevel. Once you know where to find the setting, it becomes a quick and simple part of editing your pages.